Nygia Lauren. If you are new, I am so glad you are here. And if you aren't new, thank you guys for coming back and hanging with your girl. You know, I truly appreciate it. I have not done a weekend vlog in so freaking long, but I'm coming back with a different approach because I feel like trying to do a lot at one time is just never gonna work for me. Trying to produce a lot of content at one time is just never gonna work for me. I suck at multitasking. So I'm just coming back with a different approach. I believe in working smart, not hard. At least you're gonna get a little bit of a glimpse of my life because I like to vlog. I like lifestyle vlogs. Just something that I want to do, as well as sit down videos. So I'm gonna give it another stab. So yeah, y'all, a little rundown about me if you're just tuning into my channel and you're new here in 2025. I am Nygia Lauren. I am a Charleston, South Carolina native. I live in Atlanta, Georgia now. And y'all, we just had snow. It's so cool. Like, I don't know, for me, my experience has been really good. It's gonna be a year in February of me and my boyfriend living in Atlanta. We like it here. We're gonna stay here another year. We have renewed our lease. I don't see us leaving anytime soon unless circumstances say otherwise. If you guys want me to do like a little chit chat or whatever, like doing a cute little Q&A to get in depth about Atlanta, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I'm 25. I do have a 9-to-5. I work in accounting, and yeah, I don't have any kids. It's just me and my boyfriend. I've met a few friends and creators here as well. The type of content that you guys will get from me on this platform will mainly revolve around Amazon. However, the sub content will be fashion, lifestyle, fitness, and beauty. So yeah, in this vlog, I don't know what this vlog is gonna give you guys, but I know for today we are about to do some content. Y'all, I just wanted to rave about Cay Skin. This is their deep water hydrating and soothing body cream, and it has sea moss and cacao plum. This was gifted. I did not purchase this with my own money, so I'm gonna be honest about it. But lip balm got it. This is the Isle lip balm in SPF 30, and it's the flavor Coco Cabana. Y'all see my lips? It has a little tint to it, and I actually really like this versus the other lip balm that I got from them because it has a tint to it. This is just like a regular lip balm. I really don't see like a difference. I actually have purchased from her brand before. I had got the Isle Nourishing Body Mist with SPF 50 last summer, and I didn't really care for it. If y'all hear snoring in the background, y'all already know that's Eric. But I finished the first half of my content, and now I'm trying to figure out what to eat and what to cook for later. I honestly don't know because I'm on a time crunch. I still have to film the second part of the video, which is the sit down part, which is going to take a minute. I was thinking about doing this one pot meal, but we don't have the rice-a-roni, but I feel like we could still do it without the rice-a-roni. I have everything else. I got the chicken, I got the broccoli. Looks so good. Maybe I'll just do chicken, broccoli, and rice. Something simple. I don't know. Maybe do a different flavor of the chicken. And then I also want to make sure that I have food for later this week. So I might cook another meat so that I'll have another meat and another vegetable, so that I have like 2 options during the week for dinner. So let me see what I can find. I know I have pot roast. I forgot why I bought this. And then I have boneless chuck short ribs and a pot roast. I feel like this is just gonna be too much to make. So I'm gonna take out the top sirloin stir fry, thaw that out. This chicken thighs, or I have chicken wings that are already seasoned, so I'm gonna go ahead and thaw these out. Organic broccoli for it. decided not to film any content yesterday because we had a snow day, and I was just like, you know what, I want to relax, chill. We watched football, like I read a book, like I just really wanted to relax my mind. But today we got to make up for it. I'll show you how I made my smoothie so many times, but just in case you don't know. Whey protein, creatine. I'm gonna add some oats in this to hold me over. My favorite frozen fruit. Oh, I didn't get to film my YouTube video, so I'm gonna have to do that within the week. And typically I do it on Wednesdays because that's like my rest day where I'm not working out. So you know, I was a little ow, jump scare. We didn't have enough time, so we moved. But now I'm about to do my skincare routine. Well, take off my makeup, do my skincare routine, and then try to edit a little bit of this vlog. I'm gonna turn this into a Sunday reset vlog and just post, child. Just post. I was able to make dinner and meal prep, which I'm really happy about because, you know, that's important for me to have something to eat throughout the day and not have to worry about taking time to cook, because that just takes out extra time that I really don't have. So yeah, and so yeah, I ended up making green beans, rice, and chicken. I accidentally made Mongolian beef, so that was cool. I literally just threw in seasonings together, like off of memory and what would pair together well, and then I accidentally made Mongolian style beef, so it actually tastes good. But at first I was like, I don't know where I'm going with this, but then I started like remembering, like, okay, what pairs with these types of things? I knew I wanted to go for like an Asian style meal, but I didn't really know for sure. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep my hair just like this. It feels really good. It's like nice and soft. It's not crunchy. My hair is not layered, y'all, so it's a little annoying. It kind of looks like flat and undimensional in certain ways. And then when I wake up in the morning, it's gonna look even more flat, which I hate. But I'm trying to grow my hair out because I want to get braids for my birthday. And y'all know how that is. If you want braids, you gotta have some hair to braid. So I'm just gonna have to suck it up. So tired, but yeah, so today's Sunday reset is pretty much over. It really wasn't that aesthetic-y, and I honestly don't care. I'm trying to get stuff done, stay on schedule, stay disciplined. We got the dryers running, we got the bonnet on, we got the clothes hanging up. I recorded so much content in the past months and didn't post, but I did get an iMac, so let me show you guys. I'm about to go to bed, read a little bit of my book, because that's one of my goals this year. One of my goals is to read a book a month. I honestly try not to be so hard on myself because I know sticking to sticking to a routine and being disciplined is hard, especially for someone like me who is pretty much ADHD and can get off task easily. So I try to not beat myself up over something that I can't, over tasks that I don't finish or that I am not able to get to, just as long as I stick to my schedule. So if I'm not able to get to a task that I need to do, then I'm gonna just skip it. Like, oh well, it's not done. And because if I dwell on it or if I try to do it, then it'll prolong my schedule, and I don't want to stay up past a certain time. I need to be getting my full 8 hours of rest, and that's really important to me because with having ADHD and also just being someone who's super anxious, that is one thing that I need to combat, which is going to sleep on time. Like, nothing beats well rested and prepared for the next day so that you can, you know, be up, energized. So that's something that I'm working on as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into bed because I'm doing really good on time. What time is it? It's 8:31. I got an hour before bed. And if y'all hear that background noise, y'all know that's Eric. But I got an hour before bed. I'm gonna go ahead and get into bed and read for like 15 to 20 minutes. And then jot a little bit of stuff down that I need to do for next week. And cross off the things that I had it crossed off that I did this week. So yeah, just checking off my list, making sure that, you know, I know what I'm supposed to be doing or focusing on this week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset. It was very much real, raw, and true. And yeah, I will see you in the next upload. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So I thought I'd come on here because I told y'all last night. I told y'all last night that I was going to the grocery store and I wanted to do like a little grocery haul. I don't know, thought it would be something to add to the vlog. I really love going grocery shopping in the mornings. I don't know, I just think that it's super easy to do. Nobody's there and everything's stocked. So yeah, I just went to grab a little bit of things that we needed because I feel like I went to the grocery store like 3 times last week and I still don't have everything. So don't know what that's about, but I got some of these Chobani yogurt drinks, and this is just the vanilla flavor. We've really been loving these lately. This one has 20 grams of protein and 0 added sugar, something that I can really like, something that I could drink in the mornings. I really like that for that reason. It's also lactose free. I decided to try the cookies and cream one as well. So I've already tried the mixed berry and the strawberry one, and the vanilla and this one would be new for me. So I'm excited to try that cookies and cream one. I know it's probably gonna be really good. I love iced coffee, so I decided to get this International Delight Caramel Macchiato iced coffee, but with 0 added sugar because I'm trying to lessen my sugar intake. I'm trying to bulk and cut before my birthday, so. And then I have bagels, French toast, Dr. Bronner's. Just picked up some salmon. I went to Walmart. That's literally the only closest store to me. I usually go to Publix because Publix is better, and I have turkey bacon, plain bagels, like really that. These are for Eric. He wanted the low fat ones, strawberry, and then he likes the mixed berry one as well. He doesn't really care about the protein thing. I care about the protein one, so that's why I get these. We got our favorite body wash. It's so clean feeling and it's really good. I use this app called Yucca. My mom put me on. I'm gonna show y'all. Yucca app. You want to know if like the ingredients to anything in the grocery store is really good or is harmful, you just go to the Yucca app, click scan. This is everything I've scanned. And yeah, so I got the cucumber and mint. These are the results. Fairly good ingredients, and I can honestly tell the difference because I love the way it feels. It doesn't throw off my pH, it doesn't irritate me, it just feels really good. And out of all the body washes that I've used in my life, I can honestly say that about that body wash and that brand, Native. So good. Okay, I got some bath gloves. I really like these. I like to exfoliate in the shower. And then I just got this wrap scarf. I got some makeup remover wipes. All right, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog, for real, y'all. For real, this is the end of the vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.